my name is Dina Polito from Ocean ATM, and today I'm going to show you how to access your journals on your Genmega ATM machine. The first thing you're going to do is hit Enter, Clear, Cancel, 1, 2, 3, and enter the password to get into your ATM machine. Then you're going to click ATM Op. You're going to select the option Journal, View Journal, and then you're going to click Previous or Next to find the journal or report that you would like to print out. Once you have found the one you want to print, you're going to click Enter, and it will print out your journal. Thank you very much for watching this video. If this helped out, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos just like this.